How do scientists predict future drought severity? Imagine trying to forecast a storm before it even forms. That's similar to how scientists predict future droughts. They use a mix of real-time data, computer models, and new technology to see what might happen with water supplies. The first step is collecting current information. They look at soil moisture levels, how much rain has fallen, temperatures, river flows, groundwater levels, and how healthy plants and crops are. This data comes from weather stations on the ground, river gauges, and satellites orbiting above. Satellites are especially helpful because they can see large areas at once, tracking land surface temperatures and how much water is evaporating from soil and plants. Next, scientists use special tools called drought indices. These are formulas that combine different data points to give a clear picture of how dry an area is. Some common indices include the Palmer Drought Severity Index, which measures long-term drought, and the Standardized Precipitation Index, which looks at recent rainfall. These help turn complex data into simple numbers that show drought severity and impact. Scientists then use hydrologic models. These are computer programs that simulate how water moves through soil, rivers, and underground. They help estimate how much water is available now and what might be available in the future. Climate models are also used. These models predict how weather patterns like rainfall and temperatures could change over the coming months or years based on different scenarios. They take into account past climate data and project future conditions, helping scientists see when drought might start, how long it could last, and how severe it might be. Recently, artificial intelligence and machine learning have become important tools. These advanced algorithms analyze huge amounts of data to find patterns that usually come before a drought happens. They can spot early signs, like lower winter rainfall or spring soil dryness, and use that information to forecast droughts months in advance. This helps communities prepare early and avoid serious water shortages. Scientists also create high-resolution forecasts that focus on small areas, sometimes just a few miles across. These detailed predictions are especially useful for farmers, emergency responders, and water managers who need to make quick decisions. They can forecast the chance of drought in 1 to 3 months, giving enough time to take action. All these tools work together to give us a clearer picture of what might happen with droughts in the future. By combining real-time data, models, and new technology, scientists can warn us early about dry conditions. This helps communities plan ahead, protect water supplies, and reduce the risks of crop failures and wildfires caused by drought.